Hey y'all, this is your how-to video for using the Bow Maker Buddy by J.Marie Designed. My husband designed it for me to make these adorable mini bows. You can make 6 different sizes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different variations of the bow that you can make. I'm going to give you a real quick how-to on how to make one. We're going to start with about an 18-inch length of ribbon. I am right-handed, so I'm going to start with my tail off to the left side. We're going to wrap, and then come up through the slot at the top, and then around through the slot at the bottom. Then where my finger is, we're going to go over the top and through that hole and just pull it nice and tight. I pull up first and then pull down to tighten it off. Then just simply slide it off the bow maker and then grab your tail and hold on to your knot and just give it a good tug. You can pull pretty hard on that. Then we're just going to take out our loops there. And then the side that has your knot is actually the back side of your bow. This side is going to be your front. So then we're just going to trim our tails. And there you have it. There is a cute little mini bow made on your mini bow maker, your bow buddy. Thanks y'all, have a great day.